And then from, again, another perspective, and actually you kind of see from your previous incarnation, and now you're also seeing, you also have a really good overview of the industry. What do you see as a successful collision repair business?
Well, I think the word business is the first bit you'd emphasise, so successful collision repair business. So business, so I think first and foremost, it's a business. And the thing I'm hearing today, and I see this in other things as well, is thinking about it as a business first and your product just happens to be smash repair, I think is the best way to go. And I think that works for every business because there are some immutable things for business per se. But then obviously when you get into that business, thinking about where you're going to specialise, what you're going to specialise in, what market differentiators you have for you versus others, what your particular market segment or area needs that you can provide. And again, they're business questions, irrespective of the product. But having some specialist knowledge and drawing on the expertise of others to help you define those things, I think is really important. And the other thing I'd say is, and I hear it again today, is, as I said, reaching out to experts to help you with the technology journey, to help you with the skills gap journey, and some of the coaching is really about business skills gaps, which you can hear. I think reaching out to people like that's important, and as part of that, having a learning mindset and not being afraid to identify the fact that we're all on a learning journey, we're learning all the time. And I can do my last 6 months as a small business person, it's been really quite eye-opening about how hard it is. It is hard. And so, you can take some pride in that, but also accept the fact that it's going to be a learning journey for your whole small business career or your whole business career. And as Glenn just said, the technology of cars and the technology of repairs and the obligations and expectations of insurers and others is not winding down in any way, shape or form anytime soon.